Hi there, I'm Al, author of Al's Chicken Cookbook. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a chicken. First of all, you need one chicken, preferably dead.
You will then need to slice off a head. One clean swipe should do it. Now you'll need to stuff your chicken. Here. I have chosen sausages to stuff my chicken with. You just slide them right in there. As many as you can get in, you just shove it right in. Then set your oven to gas mark 6. Then get a tray 30 centimeters by 10. Then place your chicken on the tray. Then open your oven door, place your chicken in and leave it in there for an hour. After an hour, when you come back, you'll see you have a lovely golden brown chicken. I could just eat that right now. Al's Chicken Cookbook, available at all good book retailers. Call 0800 94 93 92 to order your copy today. Order now and get a free chicken. Remember, stay loyal to Al's Chicken Farm and we'll give you a free chicken wing. Terms and conditions apply.
I'm going to show you how to cook a chicken. First of all, you need one chicken. Oh, hi there. I'm Al, author of Al's Chicken Cookbook. But yeah, from a chicken.